Dadaism, or Dada, was a deliberately absurd and provocative avant-garde art movement in the early 20th century. It was created in 1916 in Zurich, Switzerland, as a response to the horrors of World War I. Dadaism introduced a new, radical way of looking at the world, mocking materialism and focusing not on aesthetics, but on upending bourgeois sensibilities. Leading artists of this period were Tristan Tzara, Hugo Ball, Marcel Duchamp, Hannah Höch, and many more, whose diverse output ranged from art to poetry, photography, sculpture, painting, and collage. Dadaism forever changed the very definition of art, and its influences will be seen for generations to come.
So, du denkst, es ist zu spät.